Hey guys, welcome back to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Plumb widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. The widget has a unique page flip animation as a hover effect that reveals the image title, description text, and an interactive read more button. The hover animation effect in this widget works best on galleries made for fashion, kids, toys, or similar kinds of websites. Of course, you can still use it for any purpose you like. With seamless customizations, the widget can easily catch user attention with a variety of front-end styles. Now let's take a look at the backend so you can learn about the customizations. The widget is already dropped inside the page, as you can see. On your left, from the top, you can edit the grid template columns, row gap, column gap, and item height of the gallery. You'll see a masonry switcher and two more switchers below for showing or hiding the title and text. Also, there is an image size customizer that lets you change the dimension of the whole gallery image. Then click on the link option and select media file and set the link target to only button. Only then you'll be able to see the read more button appear on the gallery items when hovered. The item section is where all the gallery items are listed in boxes. You can add more items by simply clicking the add item button or close any item by clicking the cross icon on the item boxes. Now click on the first item box and change the image by tapping the image field and choosing from your media library. Then go for the title text. Also, change the descriptions according to your needs. Following the steps, customize the rest of the items to complete your gallery. Once done, go back to the item number 1, click open the options and switch to the grid subsection. Here, change the column span to 7 to make the item wider and the row span to 2 to make it occupy 2 row tiles. In order to fill the gap beside the next item, get into the grid controls and set the column span to 5. As the grid template is set to 12 columns, the max number of columns spanned horizontally will be 12. Now that our gallery layout looks perfect, we can move to the Style tab for appearance customizations. On the Style tab, go to the Content section and change the background color to a gradient. This background color is the actual hover background. Be sure to use padding to shrink the text area over the content area. Then go to the title section and first change the text color to white. Then we can work with the typography. Click on the next section and make the text color white too while reducing the opacity a little. Also, choose your text size. After that, go to the read more button section. First, the text color goes white. The button now looks like this. Add a solid border around the button with 1 border width. Make the border color white. Now the button looks more engaging. You can see a black shade when hovering over the button. So go to the hover subsection, change the text color to orange type and make the background white. Coming back to normal mode, let's customize the padding field to adjust the filled area around the button. Insert a value and then ungroup the values and customize again. Put zeros in the margin field and then go for the typography option. Let's increase the letter size, weight and spacing. Once you are done, you can minimize the control panel and take a good look at the finished layout. This is how easily you can create a refreshing image gallery using the Plumb widget. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to get updates on new videos. Stay safe and see you next time.